An arithmetic series is the sum of terms in an arithmetic sequence. This is expressed by the following formula. U1 is the first term, D is the common difference, and UN is the last term. Note, both these formulas are given in the formula booklet, so you don't need to memorize them. You can use whichever is more convenient for the given question. Say you know the first term and the common difference, use the first one. But say you know the first term and the last term, use the second one. Most times, a question will give you the sum of a certain number of terms and ask you to find the value of the first term or the common difference. Now, let's apply this to a simple question to get a better understanding. The sum of the first 10 terms of an arithmetic sequence is 630. Find the common difference D of the sequence if the first term is 18. So S10 is equal to 630 and U1 is equal to 18. So as we previously mentioned, if you know the first term and the common difference, we should use the first formula shown. So we'll just plug everything in. So S10 is equal to 10 over 2 times 18 plus 10 minus 1, D is equal to 630. Now divide this, 36 plus 9D is equal to 530. Divide both sides by 5. Now we have 36 plus 9D is 126. Bring the 36 to the other side. So it becomes 9D is equal to 90. Divide both sides by 9. And therefore D is equal to 10. Now, part B says to find the first term of the sequence if the common difference D is 11. So now we know S10 is equal to 630. D is equal to 11. So now we'll just plug everything back in. 22U1 plus 1 times 11. Which is equal to 635 2U1 plus 99. And then you divide by 5 again. Now you have 126 is equal to 2U1 plus 99. Bring this over here. Now we have 2U1 is equal to 27. So U1 is equal to 13.5.